Today I will take class 6 English, and today's topic is grammar portion, that's direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. There are two parts of direct and indirect speech. First of all, reported verb and reported speech. Is it? What reported verb is and what reported speech? The exact words of the speaker which are put within quote are called reported speech. यानी कि वो वर्ड्स जो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स एक ये डायरेक्ट फॉर्म में हम कह रहे हैं, एक स्पीकर एक कहने वाला डायरेक्ट जो कहे उसको हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहते हैं. अब रिपोर्टेड वर्ब, who says whom. The verb that introduces reported speech is called reported verb. A reported verb means which introduce reported speech. Here, the basic rules of direct indirect speech. I'll tell you a few rules of that. Rule number 1: if the reported verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged though pronouns changed. यहाँ पे इस बात की तरफ इशारा किया गया है कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में या प्रेजेंट टेंस में या फ्यूचर टेंस में हो तो वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच बिल्कुल अनचेंज्ड रहता है, हालांकि उसमें जो प्रोनाउंस का विल वुड शैल जो होते हैं वो चेंजेस हो जाते हैं. इसी तरीके से अब रोल नंबर 2 जो इसका है, रोल नंबर 2 यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं. If the reported verb is in the past tense, the tense in the reported speech are unchanged into corresponding past tenses. Second rule में, if the reported verb is in the past tense, अगर reported verb past tense में है, the tense in the reported speech are changed into corresponding past tense. वो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पास्ट टेंस में हो जाएंगे, जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है वो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग में चेंज हो जाएगा. हाँ, हाउएवर यहाँ पे और भी कुछ रूल्स हैं. अगर कहीं पे भी इफ़ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कन्वेज सम यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ और हैबिचुअल फैक्ट्स, द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. तो यहाँ पे भी कोई चेंज नहीं होती अगर हैबिचुअल फैक्ट होगा या यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. I will give you a few examples of that here. That's written on your text. You can check at page number 109. The teacher says Rahul will pass. The teacher says Rahul will pass. Will यहाँ पे यूज हुआ है, मीन्स ये एक फ्यूचर टेंस की फॉर्म में है, ये अनचेंज्ड रहेगा. द टीचर सेज दैट राहुल विल पास. डायरेक्ट फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है ये, अब इसको हम इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म में करना है. द टीचर सेज दैट, इनडायरेक्ट में क्या आएगा, दैट राहुल विल पास. सेकंड, द सर्वेंट विल से dinner is not ready. The servant say that dinner is ready. That is in indirect. Here is written in direct speech. Third one, Mona says Sana will do her work on Tuesday. Mona, that is reported verb. That is reported verb. Sana will do her work on Tuesday. That is reported speech. The verb that introduces reported speech is called a reported verb. Here is reported verb Mona. Sana will do her work, and that's reported speech. So if we change it in indirect form, we can say Mona says that Sana will do her work on Tuesday. Okay? And fourth part, Saba said, I'll join the college. That's also in future form. There is no change, but if you change it in indirect form, you have to use the Saba said that she would join the college. Will, that's pronoun, we can change it into would. We already tell you that though pronoun changes, if the whole reported verb remains unchanged in present and future forms. Okay? Now, fifth part, Rama says, I will study at the university. Rama says that he would study at university. यहाँ पे रामा की बात आई. एक बॉय है, स्टडी करना चाहता है यूनिवर्सिटी में. विल वुड में चेंज हुआ है क्योंकि हमने पहले ही कहा आपसे ऑफ प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर फॉर्म में बस प्रोनाउंस को चेंज करें, रेस्ट रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. ओके. नाउ सिक्स्थ पार्ट, बशीर सेड आई विल टेक अप साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? बशीर सेड दैट ही वुड टेक अप साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स. फिर से अनचेंज्ड है. रिपोर्टेड वर्ब भी अनचेंज्ड है, रिपोर्ट स्पीड भी अनचेंज्ड है, बट डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट में क्या लगाते हैं? यूज दैट जस्ट टू चेंज इट इनटू इनडायरेक्ट sentences. Okay. Now, fifth sentence of rule or two are here. That is, if the reported verb is in the past tense, the tense in the reported speech are changed into corresponding past tenses. If reported verb is in past tense and there is change in also this reported speech, here are few examples of that. Simple present is changed into past. Yes. Direct. Anu said she studies late in the night. Anu said. Reported verb. She studies late in the night. Means वो देर रात पढ़ती है. यहाँ पे ये simple present में है. It changes into simple past. We can say Anu said that she studied late in the night. Is it? It changed into simple past. Simple present changed into simple past. We use it ed instead of es. Direct. And Leap said Sukuni works very hard. Indirect way. And Leap said that Sukuni worked very hard. You have changed s into ed, means simple present into simple past. That is more second rule of that. And if we take third rule of, when we have reported speech conveys some universal truths or habitual facts, the simple present tense in the reported speech remains unchanged. Supposed to be direct. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. We can't change this. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. It remains unchanged because, but that we are using only to change direct form into indirect forms. Okay. One more. Rahim said, I get up early in the morning. That is direct sentence. If we change it into indirect sentence, Rahim said that he gets up early in the morning. Is it? Gets up early in the morning. Hope you are getting me. And There are few examples of that. They are all in future tenses. There is nothing change. You have to write same, but for changing direct into indirect, you have to change only pronouns. Moreover, you can use that after reported verb. Today, I will conclude this here. Hope so. Next time we'll take next topic.